When you want to grow a website, run SEO, track rankings, or analyze competitors, one of the most popular tools people choose is Semrush. But before you jump in, you may be wondering about the pricing. How much it costs, what each plan includes, and which plan is the right fit for your goal. In this video, we are going to explain the Semrush pricing plans in a simple way. We will compare what you get in each tier and help you to decide which one is best for you as a creator or business owner. Semrush is a powerful SEO and marketing platform that used by bloggers, agencies, e-commerce business and content creators. It helps you to find the keyword, analyze competitors, audit your site, track the ranking, and even plan content. But because it has many features, its pricing plan are structured to match the different needs and budget. Today we will break it down so it's easy to understand. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to pick the right tools without any confusion. If you want to explore SEMrush yourself to get this special offer and discounts, then check the link from description below. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to check the link from description to get the discount that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. SEMrush typically offers several plans that you can choose from depending on your goals and how much uses you need. The most common plans are Pro, Guru, and Business Plan. Each plan gives you access to the core SEMrush features like keyword research, site auditing tool, and rank tracking. But the limits and the extra features vary depending on which plan you choose. The Pro plan, it is usually starting plan. It gives you access to the essential SEO like keyword research, report, domain checking or domain analytics, backlink checking and basic site audits. This plan is suitable if you are a solo creator, beginner, marketer, blogger or a small business owners who wants to track a moderate number of keywords and analyze your website performance. You get a good set of the feature to start improving your SEO and planning content. Many people choose the Pro plan when they are just beginning because it offers good value for essential tools. Next is Guru plan. This plan has everything in the Pro plan, but it adds more capacity and special features that help when your needs go beyond basic uses. With Guru plan, you usually get the content marketing tools, historical data, extended limit for the keywords and queries, branded reports, and many more advanced site audit capabilities. This is great for the growing businesses, freelancers, and small agencies who manage more traffic and require deeper analysis. If you want to run consistent strategy, track more competitors, and get richer insight, the Guru plan is often recommended. Then we have the business plan. This is built for the larger business, big agencies or teams that work with many clients. With business plan, it unlocks the highest limits for the keyword tracking, API access, shared project and advanced tools like product listing, ads analytics and larger site audit capabilities. If your website portfolio is large, if you manage multiple domains, or if you need custom reporting and advanced integration, the business plan gives you the power and space to scale your work without hitting limits. Aside from these main tiers, SEMrush often offers the custom or enterprise options for very large companies with specific needs. These plans can be tolerated to how many users you have, how much data you need, and which module you want to include. But for most of the creators and small businesses, the Pro, Guru, or business plans are one to consider first. Now let's talk about how to decide which plan is best for you. If you are just starting and you want to learn the keyword research, understand the competitor analysis, and just learn to track the basic SEO performance, then the starting plan, which is the Pro plan, this is a good place to start. It is also more affordable and gives you a solid foundation without paying for advanced features you may not use yet. But if you are already working with SEO seriously and want to develop a full content strategy, track more keywords, and get branded reports, the Guru plan that becomes more valuable at $208 per month as a annual, and for month it goes to 249. I hope this guide helped you to understand the Semrush pricing plans and which plan might fit your needs in a simple way. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy Access Tech. Check the description for the Semrush links and any available offers. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.